What's going on, folks? Once again, I'm Nev from Nev's Tech Dump. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Zebra ZT410 ribbon out error and how to fix that. Now, it's not just for this particular model, but almost all the Zebra Z models have this issue. They will have this issue. So what you need to do, once you flip the door up, take the paper back and I wonder if I can see it here. Not seeing it. Okay, right here. Right there. You see that? You see that square? Right there. That square is where the sensor is. And that is on a Z410. Up at the top. Up at the top there. Right there. That's where the sensor is. On the older models, autofocus, on the older models, it's on the bottom. It's down here. So hit that with an air hose if you're getting that ribbon media out, or make sure that the ribbon is actually covering that spot. Again, on the older models it's down here. On this model apparently it's right up here. Yeah, give that a shot of air and that should fix a ribbon out error on a ZXXX whatever system. That's it from me, Nev from Nev's Tech Dump. Have a good one, folks.